Here goes a 154 off to Morden. We're in Croydon. 483 bound for West Croydon. He's 215. 466 off to Caterham on the Hill. 50 off to Stockwell. There is a 119 off to Bromley North. And 166 off to Barnstead. 264 bound for West Croydon. There is a 407 bound for Caterham. 64 off to 14th Pond. We have 700 016. That's awesome. Running service from Bedford. We're at Penge West. Here's a summer service from Caterham. 377. 377 125. 131 back to Brighton. Very loud trappers. Working service from Finchley Park. Here we have a summon service from Eastbourne. 377 212 377 441 in the middle. And 128 bringing up the rear. Bath Epsom. Go Caterham 617. 1613 to Highbury and Islington. Led by 387 136. $700 Bath Finchley Park. Led by 700 145. Battery call at London Bridge, London Blackfriars, City Towns in Farringdon, London St Pancras and Finchley Park. Yeah, you have 700 118. Bridge coming for Caterham, right by a summon service 377 609. From the next stop being London Bridge. Great luck, clappers. 700 128. Not too sure where she's off to, but a nice tune from the driver. But for Little Hampton 377 128. With 377 447. The 1629 we must 1628 even to Highbury and Islington, led by 378 148. That's Depot Whistle. We're at Penge West. $16.29 to West Croydon. $378.210. For Three Bridges, led by 700 008. The next stop being Knowles Junction.